Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Northern Lakes College Virtual Open House. I'm your host, Duncan Danon, to take you through your carpentry virtual workshop. Welcome to the carpentry program. Hopefully, this will give you a brief overview of the carpentry trade. In residential construction, there are a wide variety of jobs that a carpenter can take on to earn money. Some carpenters will build a house from start to finish. Others will specialize in one or two areas. We pour footings, foundations, and sidewalks with concrete. We frame the floors, the walls, and the roof. We do new construction, renovations, including flooring, finishing like casing and baseboards, cabinet installations, stairs, windows, doors, exterior finishes, decks, fences. The list goes on for the carpenter. Commercial and industrial sites are a great place to put your abilities to use as a skilled subcontractor or as a general contractor who oversees the entire project. Wages can vary depending on location, education, and skill. An apprentice makes a percentage of a journeyman rate. You can join the Carpenters Union or work for a non-union company. The Carpentry Apprenticeship program is 4 years in length, consisting of 8 weeks of technical training and a minimum of 1,560 hours of on-the-job training. In order to attend technical training, you must be a registered apprentice or enrolled in a dual credit or pre-employment program. How do you get in? You need English 10-2 and Math 10-3. You need a passing mark in all 5 general education development tests, or you need to pass an AIT entrance exam. What do we learn? Carpentry covers a wide range of topics to equip you for many different career choices. Residential construction from layout to lockup, commercial construction, concrete, energy efficiency, advanced stair and roof framing, fine finishing. Carpentry has a job for you. Here's a sneak peek at our second year project. The cost for carpentry technical training is approximately $1,300 a year and about $3,000 a year for dual credit or pre-employment. For more information, visit our website or the Apprenticeship and Industry Training website here. Thanks for coming.